Hey guys, we got this ClearSpace soda can organizer to test and try. These are the soda can dispenser for refrigerator, fridge organizer, and stackable drink organizer for fridge or for desk. So these are a nice two-pack set that you can see here. So let me just take this out. So this is a clear like the plastic that you can see, and basically a nice stackable thing that you can put on each other so that two blocks or the two cases you can easily put in here. The plastic wise, quality wise looks fine. It's a little bit flexible, but then there is a top lid to hold it well. So this total like the 17 inches in the length and 5 for the quarter in the width. So it's a perfect for the can size. So I will show it to you. So there are totally two pieces as I mentioned. So this will just hold because it have to be fit in the ridges so that it can store and helpfully. So I'm just storing some cans just to show in the video. So this you can see the perfect size for the full can, and easily you can just stack all the cans and the stuff. And you can easily visibility or it's a good construction or the material with a very functional thing where you can store and you can be portable. So on the top, like you can do it in here, and then you can just put it in your refrigerator or on your desk, based on your requirement. You see, like if it's from I took out one can, it will just come up the other one. So it's a pretty nice and good design thing that you can use. So I just put in all these cans here for the demo purpose so you know how this looks. So this can hold up to 12 cans in one, so at least a full box that I showed, and you can stack these two one on the above and then put in the cans. I just show it on the dash so it's easy for me for the video, but you can just put in the refrigerator as well. Nice set.